Hi there, hope you guys are doing great today. Before we start talking about the video, I want to ask you something. Can I reach 50 likes on this video? I'll really appreciate this. So today, we'll be talking about how we can mount cloud storage on our servers. This way, we can use them live as our local server directories for apps like Xtream UI and xui.one and others. RClone is a tool that offers you the ability to mount a list of supported cloud storage services like Amazon S3, Mega.NZ OpenDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, and many more onto your local system as a live disk. Today, we'll be starting our RClone mount playlist with Mega.NZ, and we'll cover the rest of the services one by one in the upcoming videos. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Now, visit my website's URL where I have posted an article on this with commands. Copy the command to install RClone. It will install the tool and open up the version that was just installed. Now, go back to the root directory by entering cd and then start the RClone configuration menu by entering the command clone config. You'll see a list of options. We need to go with the N, which stands for new. It will ask for a unique name for the mount provider. Let's use Mega for this one. Afterward, it will display a list of cloud storage services, and you need to choose the unique digits corresponding to the service name. In our case, you'll select the 29 number to correspond with Mega. Now, for the username field, it's asking for your Mega.NZ account username or email address. I'll put my login email here and then the password accordingly. Let me remind you that I offer paid services for tasks like these mounts, panel installations, bug fixing, website management, billing modules, and more. Feel free to reach me out on Telegram at LoferTech. It's now asking to edit default config or no. For sure, we'll select no. Now it's asking to save this or not. Reply with Y to save it up and then Q to quit the setup. Now we have to mount up the Mega with one of our local directories. Just create a new targeted folder. I'm going to use Mega in this case. AliPacket.com is a dedicated streaming servers provider company, offering offshore servers from Netherlands, USA, and Hong Kong. Make sure to check them out. Carefully copy the specific portion of the command and run it, as you can see. Make sure to replace the correct directory and service name for it to work properly. I think we forgot to symlink fuser mount. Let's do by this command. Now, run the same portion of the command again. If everything is fine, the command won't output anything. Let's verify the mount by checking up the Mega directory we just created. As you can see, it has mounted the data perfectly. You will find the same listing in the Mega directory on our server as you see on our Mega Cloud Storage. Let me remind you that I offer paid services for tasks like these mounts, panel installations, bug fixing, website management, billing modules, and more. Feel free to reach me out on Telegram at LoferTech. The last step you have to do is to save this mount as permanent and reboot your server. To do that, visit my website's Mega Mount page, which you can find the link in the description, and follow the instructions provided. That's all for today. I will be making more videos on different cloud storages. Please consider subscribing to my channel, enabling the bell icon for notifications, and liking the video. Thank you.